What's up everyone, it's Nam from NV Auto here, and today I'll be showing you some catback adapters from Grimspeed. We have one here for a 3-inch Subaru aftermarket downpipe to OEM catback. And here we have a Subaru OEM downpipe to a 3-inch catback. We'll be unboxing and showing you what's inside. If you're wondering why you need an exhaust adapter, it's usually because the downpipe that you'll be using, either OEM downpipe and a aftermarket midpipe, they bolt on but they do not seal properly. And the other way around, with a 3-inch aftermarket downpipe with a factory midpipe, they won't seal properly unless you have these adapters. And I'll show you what each one does for their separate situations. So if you have a Subaru OEM downpipe and you're going to be bolting it onto an aftermarket 3-inch exhaust catback, this is the kit you'll need. You'll need a Grimmspeed 077046. And here we'll open up the box. And first you will see a thank you card from Grimspeed itself, letting you know who packaged this for you. And I see here that Charlie's packaged this for us. And underneath the paper wrapping, you get a bag of hardware with nuts, bolts, and washers. The flange adapter, and as you can see, one side of the flange has a chamfer on it, and the other side has a cutout for where the gasket sits. You also get a Grimspeed sticker to put on your car or your toolbox. And lastly, you get a high-performance Grimspeed 3-inch downpipe gasket. So how this works is the 3-inch gasket sits on this side of the flange, and the fire ring will seal on this flange. And the OEM donut gasket will sit on this side of the flange where the chamfer is, and that seals it to the mid-pipe. Then you bolt that on with the bolts for the downpipe through the adapter onto the mid-pipe, and that should seal and secure your downpipe to your mid-pipe. So you have a 3-inch aftermarket downpipe and you're bolting it onto Subaru OEM mid-pipe. This is the set you need, the 077044. I'm going to open the flap here, and you can see it's a thank you card. And this has been personally packaged by, I can't read that name, but I'm just leave it aside. The paper wrapping, the bag of hardware with the nut, bolts, and washers, the Grimmspeed sticker, and the adapter. So on this adapter, the OEM donut gasket sits on this side, which mates up to the mid-pipe. On this side, you have the 3-inch gasket, and that mates up to the aftermarket downpipe. With the hardware, you squish everything together, perfectly sealing the exhaust within the exhaust system and making sure that there's no leaks. Thanks for watching, and if you like a set of these adapters, check out our website on the link below. And if you have a question on to which adapter you actually need, send us an email or comment below and we'll answer that back to you.